Number cover lens silk printing explained. When looking at a display, most users only see the image area. However, the cover lens design includes many important details, such as black borders, logos, icons, and functional markings. These designs are created through a manufacturing process called silk printing. So, what is cover lens silk printing? Silk printing, also known as screen printing, is a process that applies ink onto the surface of cover glass or plastic cover materials to create decorative and functional patterns. It is widely used in smartphones, industrial displays, automotive screens, medical devices, and smart home products. Number. Why does cover lens need silk printing? The most common application of silk printing is creating the black border area around the display. This black area is also called the black mask. The black mask helps hide internal structures, such as display edges, adhesive areas, FBC connections, and mechanical gaps. It improves product appearance and creates a clean, professional design. Number, silk printing process. The silk printing process usually includes several steps. First, the cover lens surface is cleaned to remove dust and contaminants. Then, ink is printed onto the glass surface through a screen mesh. After printing, the ink goes through a curing process to improve adhesion and durability. For high-quality products, multiple printing layers may be required to achieve better color performance and coverage. Types of printing ink. Different applications require different ink solutions. Common options include black ink for display borders, white or colored ink for logos and decorative designs, UV-resistant ink for outdoor applications, special functional ink for transparent windows or infrared sensor areas. The correct ink selection depends on durability, appearance, and environmental requirements. Number, common silk printing design mistakes. One common mistake is incorrect black mask dimensions. If the printed area does not match the display active area, it can create visible alignment problems. Another issue is insufficient ink coverage. Poor printing quality may cause light leakage or uneven appearance. Engineers also need to consider printing tolerance, because even small alignment errors can affect the final product appearance. Number, how silk printing affects display quality. Although silk printing seems like only a cosmetic process, it directly affects the final display experience. A well-designed printed area improves appearance, light blocking performance, assembly accuracy, and product reliability. For high-end products, printing quality is an important part of overall display design. Applications. Today, cover lens silk printing is widely used in automotive displays, industrial HMIs, medical equipment, consumer electronics, and smart home devices. A professional cover lens design requires not only good materials, but also precise printing technology. The cover lens is not just a protective layer. It is an important part of the complete display solution. This is how we create better display products.